Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the another episode. We are making this wall clock today. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. We need a stitching frame, piece of fabric, fabric color, brush, pencil, compass, double-sided sticker, clock machine, scissor and hot glue gun or any kind of glue. First, attach the fabric to the frame. Then using the compass, draw two circles. One is bigger, another one is smaller than the first one. Then I am drawing some easy peasy design. I am just giving you ideas. Use your own creativity to do this. Then I start to color it. Now flip the frame. Cut the extra fabric. After that, attach the fabric to the frame with hot glue, or you can use any kind of strong glue. Now take the scissor, put a hole in the middle where I am going to attach the machine. Now take the machine and add the double-sided sticker. Attach the machine in the back of the frame like this. Add the screw. We can see those stickers, so let's hide it with some color like this. Attach other hands of the clock, and now let's see how it looks finally. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. I will be back soon with another video. Bye everyone.